Alright guys, if you found yourself, you've dropped your oil out, looked in the sump plug hole and you found yourself with a blocked oil pickup and it's a Prado, this is what you need to do. Obviously raise the vehicle, put it up, you need to drain the oil, put the plug back in, remove the 11 bolts and 2 nuts, 10mm bolts and nuts. You need to get in, there's a special tool, you know, the SST 09032-00100, aka big flat blade screwdriver. If you go in at the back of the sump, the rear side facing the back of the engine, there's like a bit of seam of alloy above it in the actual sump. This is the sump sub-assembly number 2. So just near that seam you can just gently get your big foot and just give it a tap in with the hammer, and just slowly work your way in. You don't want to crack the alloy. That may bend the sump a little bit doing that, so you may need to just give it a bend back, or it'll pull in with the bolts anyway with the right amount of sealant with the job done nice and clean. So remove those bolts, gently pry that off. Once you get that off out of the way, 2 more nuts, both 10mm, to remove the oil strainer sub-assembly, and give that a good clean. Make sure you get all the stuff out from the inside of it as well. Refit it all. Pretty sure the torque spec on the oil strainer, oil pickup, is around 8 or 9 newton meters. Both that and the sump are either 8 or 9. I get mixed up, so I think it's 8 on the but look, it wouldn't matter if it's 8, 9 or 10, whatever, right? So same deal. I just do them by hand. I don't even torque those up. I just do it by hand, what feels right. You need to clean all that silicone off both surfaces, so let the oil finish draining for a while. Clean the oil off both surfaces, sorry, the oil and the mess and the silicone and whatever it is, and you can just use you know, the Permatex Ultra Grey maximum torque gasket maker. So yeah, it's good for high vibration applications, and yeah, does the job, mate. That's what we use, gasket maker. Any other brands, similar stuff will do. Just let it dry for a little bit. Look, I've done a bit of R&D and put the sump back on and put oil in straight away, never had an issue, but it's probably worth letting dry for a couple of hours if you've got the time before you put oil into it. And happy days, back to checking oil pickups when you change your oil. Alright guys, hope that's helped. See ya.